I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this BMW X6. From any screen, if you click menu, you come to this screen which has, click the iDrive forward, that's communication. You click to the left, it's climate. Click down or back towards you, it's entertainment. And if you click right, that goes to navigation. Across the top there, information, address book, onboard. If you go all the way to the left, it says navigation. And if you select navigation and then just click down, there you've got new destination. So we'll click new destination. It's asking address input from address book and so on. Well, I want to put the postcode in, so we'll just go down here and you get to city. So we'll go on to city and I can put a postcode in there. There you go. That's come up with the alphabet. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers. So we go across to numbers at the top here. PR5 4. So PR5 4. We now need to just flick down and there you can go PR5 4 Preston, PR5 4 Waltleydale. That's what we want, Waltleydale. Selected Waltleydale and then onto street. So Chorley Road, C H O, and it's defaulted to Chorley Road there, so I just select Chorley Road. Start guidance.
Stay straight on the current road for the next 1 3/4 miles.
So it's kind of an older system, but it's going to get you where you're going. It's fairly easy to use, and also once you get near and you want to knock the sound off, if you just knock the iDrive across there, there's a speaker at the top. Click onto speaker and it puts a slash through it, which knocks the sound off, so it doesn't keep annoying you. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW X6. First of all, make sure nothing's connected already. I've just, my phone was, I've just knocked the Bluetooth off. I'm just going to delete it. So, click the menu, you go back to the home screen, communication is up, which is click the iDrive towards the windscreen. And there we go, we've got telephone, BMW services, BMW online. We want telephone. Click on telephone, please activate Bluetooth, telephone or pair in the settings menu, and then it's got two settings menu. As I say, there's no phone connected, it's not picked anything up, so it's giving you this menu. It'll give you a different menu, it'll just pick your phone up if you get in and it's paired. So to settings menu. So there you've got phone, settings, help, pair new telephone, telephone's paired already, and it's showing my phone and John's phone at the garage here. So we'll go down to my phone, click backwards, select my phone there, and it's giving me the option to remove the device, which is what I want to do. So remove device, and that's it, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW X6. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we need to be watching out at the bottom there. Back to the iDrive. To get to the menu or the home screen, just click menu behind the iDrive. Communication is forward towards the windscreen, so we click the iDrive forward, and that's come up to telephone. Select telephone. There's no phones in here, it can't find anything, so it's gone to settings menu automatically. So click to settings menu, pair a new telephone. So click pair new telephone, click start pairing. Bluetooth name of your vehicle, we'll see, it usually comes up, sorry, it's still looking, me talking. So there you go, BMW 22849, that's the one. So we'll click on there. There we go, now we have to put a PIN code in. So I'm going to put 0000 in, click pair. It's asking me for the PIN code here, so 0000, then I just have to knock it back towards me, confirm passkeys there, so knock it back towards, click confirm passkey, Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I don't want to do that, but you will. I won't be using the car again. That's it connected. It's all done.